Hello, everyone. It's been quite a while, and I hope everyone is fine. Today, we're going to look at something in natural gas. I remember we had a discussion on this golden spiral some time ago, where we said the spiral was ending on 12th June here, 12th June, and then we said at the end of the spiral, we expect price to move a little higher, and then before it moves higher, it can make the double bottom here before it moves higher. Now, if let's go to the 4 hour chart, the spiral ended on the 12th of June at this point, and then we can see exactly at the end of the spiral where we expected price to move up, it moved down, but here it moved down because from this side, price rose into the wall of the spiral. So ideally, it took a reversal down. As we said before, as we discussed, that before the price will make the advance, it can make first the double bottom before it can start the advance. And then we said that natural gas actually is expensive to buy and hold. So we would wait for very good entry before we enter the trade. Now, at the end of the spiral, which was on 12 June, we have this one by one harmonic pattern which has completed the double bottom. So the spiral ended here on 12 June. Then after the spiral ended, we have one by one, which is AB equals CD, also ending the double bottom. And then what makes this one by one so special is that it's exactly finished 216 trading hours from this low here. So 216 trading hours from this low, and then a total of 327 trading hours completed the one by one. 327 and 216 are some harmonics that we actually it gives maybe some good entry or some good timing to give us reduced risk. So now that we have the one by one and then the double bottom also in place, ideally it's safer to enter the trade now from this point, because at this point we can set our stop loss just very near the double bottom area. So we can set the stop loss maybe 3 point, which is 30 point average from the double bottom zone. So that will give us a reduced risk, and then we would target first, as we said last time, on the long term target, it's higher, but for the short term, first we will target this zone, and then we target this SANS, and then the higher target, we would discuss it later on. But just to make you aware, the one by one has completed the double bottom pattern. This was the first bottom here, and this one by one here has completed the double bottom on a range time, or on a specific time range, which also the pattern which completed the one by one after the spiral is a harmonic pattern, which adds more strength to the signal. So we can enter the trade now with stop loss a little bit below the double bottom zone to give us a reduced risk, because also, as we discussed last time, we have we have this line which we said is the stronger support or resistance line, which moved the two gaps here. So if we set our stop loss just below, then it will give us reduced risk. In case it will break below the spiral, then this line here will be the next line to support the price. So we can enter now. We put our stop loss just reasonably below the double bottom zone. So until any further updates, take care and thanks for watching.